Zurvan, the god of time, the master and the owner of space, the creator of both good and evil deities, the maker of light and darkness, the judge of battles, and the arbiter of final judgment, the eternal holder. When this deity was singular, it transformed into two equal and opposing forces within this space. One pushing outward through light and the other pulling inward through darkness. Through these two forces, two types of transcendent thoughts emerged. One benevolent and the other secretive and ugly. Thus, in this rotating space, they set things in motion, and these particles, in the orbit of gravity and thrust, come into shape in a transforming movement. And create territories by creating realms for themselves. However, the central force of compression and the rotational movement of light caused the light to go in two opposite directions around the central core, one turning outward and the other turning toward darkness, initiating a balance of existence. Through this creation, hierarchical layers formed on each level, giving rise to deities that we recognize today as the gods of sun, earth, water, fire, storm, thunder, lightning, and so on. In the past, they were referred to as such. In the current space where we humans exist, we too are gods with the power to create or destroy within our own realm. Therefore, it can be said that each of us is a creator of the gods who came before us. In other words, these gods are each created by the gods of the previous or inner layers until we reach the innermost layer at the core, worshipping the unique essence and inner nature of Zurvan. It is a place where this boundless deity judges the actions of hierarchical and human layers. With the transformation of this latent power into two equal and opposing forces, it gave rise to two unparalleled deities. Ahura Mazda, the god of wisdom and goodness, on one side, and Ahriman, or the embodiment of evil and the devil, on the other. This signifies that if we divide these two luminous and dark deities, we arrive at the number one, which is the essence of the singular deity. Therefore, from the very beginning, these two gods found themselves in an eternal battle for the throne of rulership, and in this endless war, the remaining layers of hierarchical realms were shaped by these two superpower deities in atomic and cosmic battles. And it was here that Mithra, the initiator of the discussion, made us think, and while Zarathustra, one of the great minds of his era, skillfully distinguished between these divine qualities of good and evil, elucidating and detailing them in his works. However, Mani, with his superior understanding of our world, discovered that our universe emerged from the blending of these two deities, light and darkness. Thus, when these two gods intermingled, the material world came into existence, and we, as humans, find ourselves living on the earthly plane. In contemplating this divine interplay, we recognize the intricate dance between Ahura Mazda and Ahriman, shaping the very fabric of our existence. It is within this cosmic ballet that we, as beings with the power to create and destroy, navigate the realms of light and darkness, contributing to the ongoing narrative of the eternal struggle between good and evil. In understanding our role as creators within this divine tapestry, we embrace the responsibility to shape our reality, mindful of the delicate balance woven by the forces that govern our existence.